What if I told you you could make money through Google AdSense simply by creating a product that solves a specific problem on the online space? The best part is that you don't need to learn how to code. With this AI tool, which I'm going to show you right here, you can build any type of website with just one prompt, just like this one's right here, which is a SaaS platform image compressor tool. Okay, and the secret website which we're going to be discussing in this video is called Hostinga Horizon. I know most of you knows about Hostinga, a popular hosting platform that hosts tons of websites on the online space. But recently they launched an AI website builder which can help you build any type of website, both SaaS platform, e-commerce website, and business website, portfolios, and lot more. You just type in your prompt right here, what would you like us to build, then you send it out. This AI tool is going to simply build and generate that exact website for you. Even if you don't want to stress yourself typing a prompt, all you need to do is simply pick a particular website which you want to replicate, all right, that you want to clone. For instance, if you want to build this type of website, all you need to do is simply make a screenshot of this website. When you make a screenshot of it, head straight to your Hostinga Horizon, then click on this upload image. When you click on this, and just tell it to build this type of website for me. All right, when you type in that, this is going to simply build and generate a full-fledged website that is going to simply work for you. You can as well monetize it with advertisement, just like Google AdSense, via paid subscription. All right, so before I go ahead and show you the website I've already built with this particular tool, I'm going to simply show you how you can as well make this, okay, because that is the main thing that most of you would like to get. Okay, so even after showing you this cool website, how it works, and everything you need to know about it, if you're not able to monetize it, that means you just watch this video in vain. All right, so all you need to do right now is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to simply show you everything, both how to monetize it, how to promote it via selling this template. All right, so before we get into that, I'm going to simply show you the type of website that this particular AI tool has already built, and they are all online. Okay, first of all, this is the first one right here. This one is Optimal Online Image Compressor. All right, so if you come over to this section right here, on this section you can optimize your JPEG image, your PNG image, your SVG, your WebP image, your GIF, and lot more. Okay, these are tons of features you can see right here on this very website. And if you scroll down right here, you're gonna see, and this is one out of tons of ways you can also monetize on this very type of website. Okay, you can show a flexible pricing plan. People can actually register for free on this very website and use this particular tool. Okay, so you can show a free per month. Okay, on this section you can simply get only two formats right here: 20 optimized images and 5 megabyte upload size and 1 gig of storage. Okay, these are the stuff that you are missing if you're using the free version. Okay, but because most people would like to use all of these things, they will end up migrating to the paid version, which is the intermediate. Most people will migrate to this one right here. Those ones that have money to spare can go for the professional. Right, all you need to do is to set this up for yourself. When you set it up, integrate Google Ad, Astra Ad. All right, and that is the first website. The second website that is built with this particular tool is this one right here, which is a QR code generator. Okay, you can generate any type of QR code from text, UPI, URL, phone, SMS, WhatsApp, and lot more. Okay, via this particular section, which is the paid subscription strategy. Okay, you can show right here. And the last but not the least is this particular one right here, which is one is just like a freelancing service. Okay, where you can simply discover and book services. People can easily also come here and place their services that they want to offer. So this is basically the type of website you can build, and many more with Hostinga Horizon. So what do? You have to simply come over to this section, click on the sign up button, and make sure you create an account on this platform. And when your account is created, you can simply go over and log into your account. Okay, and this particular one right here, which is Padded Vibes, I just created a portfolio for Padded Vibes, and it is already online. All you need to do is to give it a prompt, and it's going to simply do a whole lot of things for you. You can see the service section, portfolio, testimonials, and lot more. And if you scroll down, you're going to see cool animations that are displaying on this very website. Okay, everything works so well. Right, so how do I do this? All I did was to head over to my Hostinga right here. This is the website, as you can see, and this is the prompt I gave it. Design a responsive SaaS landing page. That was the first one it did for me, and I went ahead to tell it this is what I want, this is what I want, and it went ahead to give me all of these things. Okay, so even if I give it another prompt to generate another thing again, then it's gonna simply do the whole stuff for me. All right, you can show this is the prompt I gave it. So this particular tool right here, not everybody knows about it, so that's why I'm revealing it right now. So you can simply go type into this opportunity and build something reasonable for yourself and monetize. When you add your prompt and generated the whole stuff for you, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and publish it. Okay, on this preview session you can see how the website will look like on the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of this very website. Okay, this is the desktop version. All right, so publish it direct to your own hosting. For you to get it, you need to have a Hostinger hosting plan. All right, and you can simply utilize a coupon code, because most people would don't like to pay $300, $500, $100 and a lot more. You can simply go ahead and use a Hostinger coupon code from a verified link. All right, if you go over to your browser and search for Hostinger hosting, you're going to see a lot of websites talking about that, but this is the one that can actually work for you. This is the one that I use, and you can simply go ahead and use it yourself. You're also going to get a hosting plan at a cheaper rate from this very link. Okay, once you get that done, go ahead and create a Hostinger account for yourself. All right, you just need to click on this add website, and you're going to simply add the website you've already built from Hostinger Horizon. You can see we have the Hostinger Horizon platform, we have the WordPress, Hostinger web builder, we have the custom HTML and lot more. Okay, so the one you've already generated via Hostinger Horizon, use this very one right here and host it from your Hostinger. Okay, and this is going to simply work for you, make money from it. Okay, so remember, the only work you're going to be doing right here is to get your hosting and your domain name. All the website building, construction, everything, development and design are going to be done by Hostinger Horizon. All right, so this is perfect for those that want to build a SaaS project. So in my next video, I'm going to simply be showing you how to build a website with Hostinger Horizon from start to finish and hosting it. If you want to see that video, I want you to comment more video on the comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make a video on how to host a SaaS tool and monetize with paid ads and also subscription based platform. Okay, where people can pay you to use your platform. Okay, if you want to see that video, comment more video on the comment section, like this video, share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to this very channel to stay updated on what we do here. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp, and also on our Patreon community. See you in the next video.